are now in Regiojet, headed towards Vienna, which left in 1:21 p.m. So you can always book the ticket online, and we got this ticket around 15 euros, right?
99 euros for 5 people.
For 5 people. Okay, so I'll put the math somewhere here. And as you can see, it's very comfortable. And there's power outlets. So we brought an extension cord, which is really helpful. So because we have a lot of gadgets, and of course we don't have a lot of adapters for the power outlets. So bringing an extension cord really helps. So the seats are very comfortable, and then if you're a group with friends, so you can always book the seats advance online. So in our case, we booked a seat with 4 people so that we can sit together. And the best thing is there's free Wi-Fi. So you can connect your gadgets, stay in touch, do some work. When you're in Europe, water doesn't really come free. When you go to a restaurant, you have to pay for it. And most of the time, beers are actually cheaper than water. But not here. Now your train ticket comes with a free bottle of water. How cool is that? And that's not all. It also comes with free hot coffee. Can't beat that. So from Prague to Vienna, it takes roughly around 3 hours to get there. So the train is delayed for roughly more than an hour now. The reason is because we found out from the conductor is that there was an accident along the tracks. We found out that a train collided with a car. They're still clearing it up. We don't know how severe it is, and I hope that it's not too serious. So we're just waiting for that, for the accident to be cleared before we can leave, and the estimated time of arrival is 20 minutes from now. Hopefully it doesn't take much longer. I said earlier that the train travel from Prague to Vienna was just 3 hours, but apparently it's 4. So I had to correct myself on that. So, while waiting for the accident to be cleared, it's very good that we have internet here. So everyone is connected, they can post on Facebook, do some socials, while me personally, I'm editing some videos. Luckily there's a plug right there, so everything's charging while everyone's waiting. Oh, and we're getting free treats. Hi.
Hi. This is for you as small
thank
compensation for waiting.
It's okay, thank you.
Wow.
Thank you. We got some free treats. So far we're liking the experience with Regiojet. So given the chance in the future, we might be booking with them too, because they really take care of their passengers.
Eventually,
after being delayed for like an hour and a half, we are finally here in Vienna's main train station. We made it. Arrived here in Vienna, and we're taking the tram to our Airbnb. So you can buy the tram ticket, which is this one, at the ground floor where they sell cigarettes. And when you come here, you have to make sure that you have to punch in your card. So you have to look for it somewhere in this train so that you can punch your card. No one really checks, but you just gotta do the right thing, right? We just arrived at our Airbnb, and it's very beautiful, but then it's really late, and I'll give you a quick tour of the Airbnb in the next vlog. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, and if you're not subscribed yet, consider subscribing. See you next time.